Hi Green Apple Girls, Ashley here. In this video, I'm going to be creating a super fun makeup look using the lipstick in the shade called Petal Rebel. Continue watching to see how to create this makeup look. First, apply the eyeshadow in the shade called U Latte all over your eyelids. Next, take a tiny bit of the eyeshadow in the shade called Minx and apply that to the crease. To line your eyes, use the eyeliner pencil in the shade called Cocoa for your upper lash line, and then for the lower lash line, go back in with the eyeshadow in the shade called Minx. Now finish off your eyes by applying the Lash Project mascara. Complete this makeup look by applying the lipstick in the shade called Petal Rebel. And here's the completed makeup look. My favorite thing about this look is that while it's great for everyday wear, the eyes have a little hint of drama, so it'll also carry you into the evenings as well. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and take care. Bye!